If you're doing it on, let's say,
a crawl space, or
exactly a crawl space, or you're up on a 2-story on stilts down on the beach, you're still going to get condensation and moisture from below. You always just treat it on the bottoms.
When you're picking out lumber, before you even start any of this, when you're going to one of the big boxes or you're going to the local lumber yards, are you looking at the lumber?
If you get a chance to look at the lumber, yes, look at the lumber. If you are dealing with a lumber package
That's dropped by
where
the
it's dropped
supplier?
off, you don't have the option of getting the nicest, straightest, least twisted and everything else.
When you're looking at these 2x4s right here that we're about to use, you're picking them up. What are you looking for? Are you looking down the board, or?
Exactly. You'll pick the board up. Exactly. You'll look down it, make sure it isn't twisted. It doesn't look like a hockey stick.
The crown goes up when you're building a wall.
Okay.
Generally correct.
Oh yeah, you always want the crown up regardless. It's more important on a floor joist or a ceiling joist.
Yeah.
The crown goes up because through time gravity can straighten it back out. If it's already swayed, gravity's just going to continue to pull it further.
Gotcha.
In a wall, you don't want, if you got a really crowned and cupped one, you just don't want to use it, or your drywall is going to have a nice bow in it when you do your finish work.
Yeah.
So the straighter you can get them, the better off you are. And there's always somewhere, if you do get a twisted one, you can cut it and use it as a header. You can cut it up and use it as a fill space on a stud pack for the corner. You can use it as a jack stud maybe and use the other board to straighten it. You can kind of worm it as you nail them together.
Blocking, just
Exactly.
a lot of different uses.
There's a lot of things you can use them for. So just because it's warped and twisted doesn't mean it's a bad board.
Follow and subscribe for more.